for the right vehicle? Check out 2019 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, speed control. Come see the car for yourself.